Let's talk weather. We've got kind of muggy conditions out there, a lot of rain southwest, but people who have plans in central Indiana, you say don't cancel them.
Right now I'm saying no, don't cancel them. It doesn't mean it's going to be rain-free over your area. We just think it's going to be more hit and miss. It's a lot of hit today, this morning especially. You were talking probably at least the next couple of hours, 2 to 3 hours, if you're waking up to raindrops. Bloomington, Bedford, and this has been raining all morning long from Linton and Farmersburg, Petersburg, Washington, and this is starting to spread eastward as we were expecting, heading towards Seymour, and I think it's going to get you folks in Columbus where you'll get into a steady rain at times, be moderate to maybe even a period of some heavy rain. The farther north you travel, that's where it becomes more of the hit and miss nature. From Greencastle and Cloverdale and Martinsville, you got a little line of showers here that's just lifting to the north of Fairland, heading toward Morristown. It's light, but it will impact your morning run perhaps, or if you're trying to get out to cut the grass or something like that. Lapel over toward Pendleton and Tipton and Sheridan, but the lion's share of the steady, heaviest rain is probably from Terre Haute, Columbus, and then we can probably take it over toward Greensburg as this starts to pivot in that direction. I'll show you the radar sequence over the last 3 hours, and you can see what we're talking about, some very persistent rainfall. Stronger thunderstorms are going to be along and south of the Ohio River, and then north of that area, the atmosphere is stable this morning, so what we see is primarily just going to be some random raindrops for the next few hours. We're going to monitor the progress, see how far north it makes it. I think Martinsville, Shelbyville perhaps are in play as well. Whether or not it really makes it up to the metro in terms of a soaking rain this morning, I have serious doubts about that. Marion at 61, we're going to hold in the mid and upper 60s for several hours, very similar to yesterday. So again, we're not saying don't go out to the last day of the state fair. I would certainly advise you to take an umbrella. It's about a 50% chance that you're going to see a shower pop overhead between now and say 2 o'clock, and then heading into the afternoon, you'll see Future Track 13. I think it's just a little too far north with the steadiest rain. It probably stays just south of I-70, but nonetheless, even as we go into the afternoon, we're still going to be dodging these showers and maybe a rumble of thunder with the modest daytime heating that will send our highs up to about 80 degrees for today. So if your plans are go out this afternoon, this evening, don't expect a lot of sunshine. Temperatures near about 80 for a daytime high. Going into the overnight, everything should settle down as this wave pushes east of us. But as we go into tomorrow, I think we're going to see some late day showers and thunderstorms here. We'll take you into tomorrow morning, a good deal of overcast, and then with some daytime heating, we'll see a few random showers, thunderstorms popping up. And I would say, you know what, get used to hearing us say that because the next couple of days are going to feature these thunderstorm chances. 86 on Tuesday, that's when you'll notice the heat start to pick up. And then as we go into the middle of the week, highs near 90, and we're going to be there for several days. So the warm-up is on the way. Here's your latest SkyTrak 13 7-day forecast now. And though we have storm signals on every single day, it doesn't mean it's going to be a washout every day as well. And near 90 all the way into next Sunday.
All right, thanks a lot, Sean.